Let's get started. So, in this one, I'm quickly sharing about the institute weightage, which is given specifically for November 2026 attempt by the dearest ICI. तो देखो what happened exactly कि after May 2024 as of now institute has not amend any no weightage in the weightage section after May 2024 as per the new schemes. So simply we are following the same pattern, and as per the institute guidelines and all, this is the same pattern, or we may expect कि the same weightage is announced by institute. The paper might maybe differ from 5 to 10% up and down, but as of now we have the weightage in our hand by the institute or on the institute portal this only. So let's quickly get into the video and proceed for the same. तो देखो, now we are discussing IDT weightage hereby. तो मैं आपको पहले IDT का weightage दिखाने वाली हूँ. So we all people know that we have 100 marks paper of indirect taxation for our, not probably our, for November 26 CA final aspirant. 100 marks, out of 100 marks, 80 marks is directly allocated to the GST part and rest 20 marks for the custom and FTP. तो first objective क्या है? To acquire the ability to analyze and interpret the provision of the goods and service tax laws and recommend solution to the cash scenarios. Goods and service tax GST law as contained in a central goods and service tax GST, and this उसके बाद we have 45 percentage to 65 percentage. This is of what? This is of 80% का. You have to calculate 45 to 65. Later I will tell you कितना बनता है. But we have out of 80 marks, 80 marks का 45 to 65 marks percentage chapters are case studies which will be based on the सारा completely case studies होगा जिसमें levy and collection of CGST, IGST, application of CGST, IGST law, concept of supply, intrastate supply, supplies in territorial water, charge of tax including reverse charge, classification, exemption from tax, place of supply, time of supply, value of supply, input tax credit, computation of GST liability. तो ये सारा इसका सिंपली बन जाता है. उसके बाद वी हैव 80% का 10 to 30% is for procedures under GST including the registration, tax invoice, credit, debit, notes, electronic way bill, accounts, records, return, payment of tax. तो this will be this marks will be of this. Then आता है हमारा refund and case studies based on refund provisions, job work. तो ये सारा आ जाएगा हमारा 10 to 30% marks will be of this part, and इसमें liability to pay in a certain cases भी आ जाएगा. उसके बाद वी हैव 0 to 5% ऑफ वॉट 80%. 80 का 5% करोगे तो कितना आएगा 4 मार्क्स. इट विल बी 4 मार्क्स ओनली इफ़ यू डू नो 80 का 5 8 5 of 40 तो या इट विल बी 4 मार्क्स. 4 मार्क्स में दे विल कवर द टॉपिक लाइक असेसमेंट इन ऑडिट, इंस्पेक्शन, सर्च, सीजर एंड अरेस्ट एंड अदर प्रोविज़न. उसके बाद वी हैव देन 80 का 15 to 30%, यानी कि 80 का 15 to 30%, यानी कि 8 3 24 और आइदर 15 3 नहीं 8 15 120 है ना, 15 8 एंड 15 9 135. हाँ, तो इट विल बी 12 to 24 marks will be allotted for the demand and recovery, offences and penalty, advance ruling, appeals and revisions, ethics under GST. Then we have the 20 marks weightage for sure for custom and FTP. and to develop an understanding of custom laws. This is a weightage which is given on the institute portal by the institute itself, not by me obviously. Acquire the ability to analyze and interpret the provision of the law concept. So देखो we have the custom. So this will be the weightage of custom and FTP. कस्टम एंड एफ टी पी का तो 20 मार्क्स का 40%, 20 मार्क्स का 40 कितना हो गया 8, तो 8 to 65, 60 किलो 60, 20 का 60, 6 to 12, तो 8 to 12 marks. Levy of custom duties including application of custom law, taxable event, charge of custom duty, exception to levy of custom duty, exemption from custom duty, then types of custom duty, then classification and valuation of imported and exported goods, import and export procedures including special procedure relating to baggage goods imported or exported by post stores. तो ये देखो यहाँ तक टाइप्स ऑफ कस्टम ड्यूटी, क्लासिफिकेशन, वैल्यूएशन, तो ये आ जाएगा 8 to 12 मार्क्स अप्रॉक्सीमेटली, जिसमें वैल्यूएशन आ जाएगा, कस्टम ड्यूटीज़ आ जाएगा और जो ऊपर वाली थ्योरी है वो सब आ जाएगा. उसके बाद वी हैव सेपरेट वेटेज फॉर दी वेयर हाउसिंग के लिए, रिफंड के लिए, बेसिक कंसेप्ट रिलेटेड टू एक्सपोर्ट एंड इम्पोर्ट एंड एक्सपोर्ट प्रोसीजर इंक्लूडिंग बैगेज इन गुड्स इम्पोर्टेड और एक्सपोर्टेड बाय पोस्ट स्टोर्स. एंड देन दिस इज आई मेड इट प्रॉपरली बिकॉज हमें दिया था ना 80 का इतना परसेंट और 20 का इतना %, तो अब यहाँ से एकदम आपको एग्जैक्ट नंबरिंग पता चल जाएगी कि 100 मार्क्स में से कितने नंबर का है. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले दिस इज दी CA फाइनल पेपर नंबर 5 इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स लॉज विच ऑफ 100 मार्क्स in which 80 marks consist of GST part and 20 marks will be of the custom part. So let's quickly recap everything one more time. तो देखो, I already told you that out of 80% का 45 to 65% will be 36 to 52 marks of the paper will include the case study. So this is the higher weightage area I may say, and this is somehow tricky as well because इसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा case studies होती है. एंड IDT का पेपर जो है वो केस स्टडीज़ से घूम के थोड़ा ट्रिकी हो जाता है. बाकी तो कस्टम पार्ट इज़ ईजी, प्रोविज़न ये रिसर्च ऑडिट सर्च सीजर ये भी इजी है, बट ये वाला पार्ट जो है थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी हो जाता है. लेवी एंड कलेक्शन ऑफ CGST IGST, एप्लीकेशन ऑफ CGST IGST लॉ, concept of supply, interstate supply, intra-state supplies in territorial water, charge of tax including reverse charge, classification, exemption from tax, place of supply, time of supply, value of supply, input tax credit, computation of GST liability. So this marks is of what 36 to 52 marks will be covered by this. उसके बाद we have 10 to 30 marks यानी कि 8 to 24 marks will be procedure under GST including registration, tax invoice, credit and debit note, electronic way bill, accounts, records, return, payment of tax, refund and case study based on refund provision, then job work, liability to pay in a certain cases. उसके बाद 0 to 4 marks will be of administration of GST, assessment and audit, inspection, search, seizure and arrest and other provision. Then we have 12 to 24 marks weightage area is for demand and recovery, offences and penalty, advance ruling, appeal and revision, ethics under GST. तो ये हो गया हमारा पूरा complete GST वाला part. Now comes about the custom and FTP which consist of 20 marks. 20 marks में we were simply talking about earlier कि इधर 40 to 65 we were approximately telling you, I was approximately telling you that it will be around 8 to 12 marks, so it is 8 to 13 marks. तो कस्टम लॉज एज कंटेन इन कस्टम एक्ट 1962 एंड कस्टम टैरिफ एक्ट, तो मतलब ये वेटेज जो है ये एकदम सही दिया है. पेपर ऐसे ही आता है, बस पेपर जो है वो ट्रिकी हो रहा है IDT का बिकॉज ऑफ दी केस स्टडी. बाकी जो वेटेज है जैसे कि केस स्टडी है तो इट वॉज गिवन बाय द इंस्टीट्यूट अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 36 to 52 मार्क्स. तो पेपर तो वैसे ही आ रहा है, बस वो केस स्टडी का लेवल अप डाउन होने की वजह से पेपर ट्रिकी, अबाव एवरेज और ऐसा हो रहा है. बाकी पैटर्न तो इसी तरीके से फॉलो किया जाएगा. उसमें MCQs वगैरह सारा आने के मतलब मिक्स करने के बाद ये वेटेज फाइनल वेटेज है. उसके बाद custom laws as contained in the Custom Act 1962 and the Custom Tariff Act 1975, foreign trade policy, levy of custom duties including application of custom law, taxable event, charge of custom duty, exception to levy of custom duty, exemption from custom duty, types of custom duty, classification and valuation of imported and exported goods. उसके बाद we have 4 to 9 marks paper. It will consist 20 to 45 percentage. Import and export procedures including special procedures relating to baggage, goods imported and exported by post, stores, warehousing, refund, basic concepts relating to export promotion schemes provided under FTP. Then we will have 2 to 4 marks to 10 to 20 marks introduction to FTP, legislation governing FTP, salient features of an FTP, administration of FTP, content of FTP and other related provisions. तो देखो FTP will be of 2 to 4 marks. We know this thing. और 2 to 5 sometimes इंस्टीट्यूट का जो ये डेविएशन बोला भी है इसने कि देयर में भी डेविएशन ऑफ प्लस और -5%, तो ये FTP 5 नंबर का भी आता है, 4 की जगह या 2 की जगह हम बोल सकते हैं. इंट्रोडक्शन टू देखो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल एस्पेक्ट पार्ट ऑफ ओवरऑल पेपर. FTP विल बी अराउंड 2 से 4 मार्क्स और वेयर हाउसिंग रिफंड ये सारा मिला के 4 से 9 मार्क्स. वैल्यूएशन और ये ऊपर की थ्योरी और क्लासिफिकेशन ये मिला के 8 से 13 मार्क्स. तो ऐसे करके हमारे पास 20 मार्क्स का पेपर हो जाएगा. स्टूडेंट शुड फैमिलराइज themselves with the ethical consideration and information technology aspect involved in the compliance of this law. If any new legislation is enacted in place of an existing, तो हम एक काम करते हैं, we will try because who knows about November 26th at time whether it will be ours or somebody else. But what we can do is we can simply start with the custom because custom is the smaller portion, I may say, and easier one too. So we should start because earlier I was reading supply chapter, then comes the RCM and the charge, though that was not seems like interesting. That was one among the chapter which is most conceptual if I talk about the RCM or charge mechanism. So I'm thinking like we should focus, or I know we know about the custom FTP and all, but I think we should cover custom first because it will give short 20 marks. Then we will proceed to the chapters like assessment, audit, research, search, and this chapter because it is of a weightage demand recovery, and this chapter are of a weightage of 12 marks, and assessment, audit, this will be of 4 marks. So I think 20 plus, then if we move forward to that chapter, so that will give us 20 plus 12. It will be 20 or 10, 32. Then 32 approximately 4 marks assessment audit, to 32 plus 4 36 or few more miscellaneous chapter. So we will cover the 40 marks portion first, and then we will read the major portion of the IDT syllabus, which is of the GST, time of supply, place of supply, and ITC and all. So eventually we will cover the 100 marks portion. But if we move forward from beginning towards the end, then it will be more time taking, and eventually it may not that much boost our morale. So we should cover easy chapter first. Why to deliberately move towards the tougher part? We should start with easy and then we will gradually move to the tougher part, so that eventually we get confidence as we move step by step. So as I think little becomes a lot one day. So we should cover little thing first, and we will move forward for the tougher part, and then we try to solve the MCQ. So this is our 1 month plan. We should start with easier one, then we will look forward for tougher also. So we will try to cover the IDT in detail. So this way we can proceed to gain more understanding of IDT syllabus. Correct.